Well, Nathan, we've been on an adventure this past couple days actually. Well, a few hours today, a lot of hours yesterday. But Nathan, we got her beat. Your basketball hoop will be in Regina in no time. Things went well. Let's take a look at what all happened here. Talked to your dad last night. He wasn't too excited about the front legs. Figured he didn't need it. So you know what I say to that? Let's take a look. These support legs that we have on the front end, taking up the weight going this way, your dad didn't like the idea. So you know what I said? Get rid of them. That's what I said. Get rid of them. We don't need them no more. It's good. Let's take a look here. You know what else we did? You pay a premium dollar when you buy basketball hoops these days. What do you get? Plastic base. And after 17 years, they're good for nothing. This thing, you know what I say about that? Get rid of it. Don't need it. Let's take a closer look at what all got done there. So, if you look closely, right now I've got one argon bottle holding up all that weight. But you've got freedom now to play underneath your basketball hoop without them legs in the way. Those legs were a poor design. This here, great design. T-Boy Engineering, I conversed with that guy a few times on this project. But, so anyways, he said, let's put these stiffeners in. So that's what I did. I went 1.25 by 1/8 wall structural tubing. Everything done to perfection. The only thing I might do, knock off that bolt so somebody doesn't get killed. That's all you need is have a child run into that. But anyways, it's pretty cool because right now I've got an argon bottle on there, but I'm not going to tip this to show you how the wheels work. But let me tell you, they work great. She's got the angled tubing there for airflow. This thing is sleek, sexy, and aerodynamic. But anyways, yeah, so you could put, let's have a look here, how many blocks you could put in there. So, I made this strategically. The blocks are 2 inches wide. You could put 18 blocks in there by cracky. 18. 24 by 30. Easily fits. Now, just hang on a second. The thing is, with 18 blocks, you've got over 700 pounds of weight holding that baby down. So, you know what? Bring on the 100K an hour winds, and that bad boy's gonna stay right there. Now, if we want to look at how level everything is, it doesn't look level there, but rest assured, it's exactly the same as this. You know it. Okay, Nathan, well, it's been an adventure. We'll catch you on the next big one.